Begin your onboarding process with clicking the sign up link here. It will take you to this page and you can begin putting in your details to get started with us. Begin by typing in your legal business name. This is the name you have registered your business with. Under legal representation, type the name of your legal representative. Then click here and select their nationality and enter their ID. Before you move on, make sure to select whether this person is the ultimate beneficiary owner. The next step is filling out a bit more details about your company. Begin by typing in your website, if you have one. Select what kind of products and services does your company offer from the list. And then you can quickly provide us with a brief description of your business. This, again, is optional. Lastly, in the profile section, choose how much money your business processes each month approximately. Click Next and go on to the payout account. Section, fill out your bank account details. This is the account you will receive your funds on. Start by filling in the account holder's name, their bank name, and their IBAN number. Almost done. Now you can move on to the final stage of onboarding. Here, you will upload all the documents. Firstly, you will upload your commercial registration, and then the QID of the business stakeholders. You will need to upload the front and the back side. Next, you will upload the bank account statement. And lastly, any other documents which are optional, such as computer card, trademark registration, etc. We also have a feature where you can submit these documents directly from your phone. Simply select from your mobile tab and scan the QR code. Once you've submitted these documents, you're done. In just 24 hours, you will receive an email from our compliance department telling you if everything checks out.